Meet Mikey. Itong kaibigan ko, laging may goal na hindi natutuloy. Like yung getting fit. Hindi nangyari. Yung opening a restaurant.
Oh, magtayo ka na kasi ng resto.
Never happened. And falling in love? Dude, hanggang tingin lang. The thing is, alam kong kaya naman ni Mikey. Kaya sinamahan ko siya. Para may kasabay to get fit.
Ano, Mikey, kaya pa? Sige, Mikey, kaya mo yan! Oo, naman ako pa! Woo! Ano, Kev, kaya pa?
Ngayon, naiiwan na ako. May katulong to set up shop. Ngayon, best burger in town.
Burger! Best burger now! Yay! Woo! Oh, yung flowers dumating na! Go! Punta mo na!
May nag-wingman to get the girl. And finally fall in love. Goal achieved.
Sa wakas! Natuloy na rin! Congratulations!
Oh, look at them now. Happily married and expecting their second child. Ay, ang dami na namin pinagdaanan from one goal to the next. Having a friend can make things easier. Kasi, pagdating sa goals, minsan, kailangan mo lang ng kasama.